Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now click on alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Then set up an hour and choose OK. Now you can click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on this bell icon over here. Select one of those melodies as your alarm sound and go back. You can also click on this bell icon again, but this time select add new. Click at the top left corner, select one of your sources like audio. Tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back again. Over here, pick days of the week, and when you're ready, click on this little icon next to the switcher, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you're still deleted, click on this icon above the switcher, choose delete at the bottom right corner, left corner, sorry, and as you can see, my alarm is now gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!